Get ready to take your room from drab to fab with our hand-picked collection of 10 intriguing gadgets. Your friends are in for a major envy fest as your space transforms into the epitome of cool. We've assembled a delightful lineup of 10 captivating gadgets that are about to elevate your room to a whole new level of coolness. Let's dive in. Number 10. Desk Clock. A desk clock is a common and practical item, but this one comes with a unique twist that adds a touch of innovation and security to your room. While it serves its primary function of telling time, it also harbors a hidden secret that sets it apart. This desk clock incorporates a concealed 5-megapixel camera with night vision capabilities, a voice recording feature, and a motion detector. These additional functions offer an extra layer of security and awareness for your living space. The 5-megapixel camera with night vision allows you to keep an eye on your room in real time, whether it's during the day or in low light conditions. You can access the live video feed from the camera using your smartphone or tablet, and it streams in full HD, providing clear and detailed footage. Voice recording is another feature that can be quite handy, enabling you to capture important audio for various purposes. The motion detector is a key security feature, sending alerts or triggering recordings when it senses any movement or activity in your room. It's a perfect blend of everyday functionality and advanced security technology, ensuring that your space is not only well organized, but also well protected. The camera can even stream video in crystal clear full HD quality to your smartphone or tablet, making it a versatile and affordable choice at just $66. Number 9. Levitation Speaker. If the first gadget we featured was all about subtlety and discreetly performing its essential functions, this levitating speaker is its complete opposite. With its striking appearance and exceptional sound quality, it's a gadget that will certainly catch everyone's attention. The most remarkable feature of this levitating speaker is, as the name suggests, its ability to hover in midair. Thanks to the power of magnets, the speaker defies gravity, creating a captivating visual effect. It's not just a speaker. It's a conversation starter and a piece of art. The levitation is not just for show. It also enhances the overall sound quality. With clear, crisp audio, this speaker sets a new standard for sound technology. Whether you're listening to your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks, the audio experience is truly immersive. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply want to add a touch of futuristic flair to your space, this speaker is available for $251. Number 8. Flying Saucer. Are you someone who enjoys hosting parties or gatherings at home? Then this next gadget is tailor-made for you. It's a unique LED backlight that reacts to music and various noises, including speech, clapping, and more. The result is a vibrant and dynamic light show that adds a new level of excitement to your events. To use it, all you need to do is connect this flying saucer to your laptop, PC, or tablet via USB. Once connected, it responds to the music and sound, creating a visual spectacle. It's an excellent addition to your home entertainment setup, adding an extra layer of fun and ambiance to your parties. This gadget isn't limited to indoor use. It can also be a great addition to outdoor gatherings or celebrations. With its versatile capabilities, it's a must-have for anyone looking to take their party hosting to the next level. With a price of $195, it's a fantastic addition to your entertainment setup. Number 7. Light Panels. These light panels are a fantastic addition to your home decor, offering a versatile and interactive way to create the perfect ambiance in any room. Shaped like triangles, you have the freedom to arrange them on your wall in a pattern that suits your style and preference. Whether you're looking for subtle, relaxing lighting or something more vibrant and energetic, these panels have you covered. With the convenience of a special button and a user-friendly smartphone app, you can easily adjust the brightness, choose from a wide range of colors, and explore various glow options to set the mood just right. Smart home enthusiasts will be pleased to know that these light panels are compatible with voice commands through popular virtual assistants like Siri, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. What sets these light panels apart is their scalability. You can start with a few panels and expand as you like. The system supports more than 30 light panels, and you can purchase them individually or as a complete set. Whether you want to create an artistic and modern decoration in your living room, set the perfect lighting for a cozy bedroom, or enhance the ambiance in your home office, these light panels offer endless possibilities. Despite their versatility and smart capabilities, they come at an affordable price of $72, making them a stylish and budget-friendly addition to your home. Number 6. Aquarium. You can bring a piece of the underwater world right into your room with this unique and captivating gadget. With options available in various sizes, you can select the one that suits your space and preferences. What sets this aquarium apart is that it creates a closed ecosystem, meaning it forms a self-sustaining environment for the fish and plants it houses. Here's how it works. The fish produce waste, which serves as nourishment for the plants. In return, the plants act as natural filters, purifying the water for the fish. This dynamic creates a mesmerizing and harmonious cycle that you can observe right from the comfort of your room. Watching the fish swim and thrive in this self-sustaining aquarium is not only captivating, but also educational. It's an excellent way to learn about the delicate balance of nature and ecosystems. Moreover, if you found the Levitating Speaker intriguing, you'll be pleased to know that this gadget incorporates a similar levitation feature. The aquarium levitates with the help of magnets, creating a stunning visual effect that adds a touch of magic to your space. Number 5. Levitating Flower Pot. If you've ever dreamed of having a touch of magic in your room, this levitating flower pot is sure to enchant you. The pot hovers elegantly above its base, defying gravity thanks to the power of magnets. When you first try it, finding the perfect balance might take a little practice, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be mesmerized by this captivating decoration. The levitating flower pot is not just a whimsical gadget, it's a stylish addition to your home or office. Place your favorite plant inside, and it will not only thrive, but also become a conversation starter. Whether you want to infuse your space with a dash of elegance or create a unique atmosphere, this levitating flower pot is an excellent choice. Just like the Levitating Speaker, this gadget brings a sense of wonder to your surroundings, making it the perfect gift or a delightful treat for yourself. The price of $174 makes it an affordable way to add some enchantment to your decor. Number 4. Rainbow Projector. This rainbow projector is a delightful addition to any room, as it magically creates a rainbow when the sun's rays fall on it. What's even more fascinating is that you can enjoy this beautiful rainbow effect even in total darkness. With the rainbow projector, you can bring a touch of enchantment into your living space. The rainbow projector is incredibly easy to use. Simply plug it into an ordinary outlet and turn on the 5 LED spotlights. As they illuminate, your room will be transformed into a magical and colorful haven. This gadget is especially wonderful in a nursery or a child's room, where it can captivate young imaginations. For the affordable price of $35, you can enjoy the wonder of rainbows right in your own home. Number 3. Smart Sleep System. Our collection features a smart sleep system designed to improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. In simple terms, it's a system that assists you in falling asleep and waking up at the right times. The desktop device utilizes special sound and lighting effects to gently guide you into restful slumber and wake you up refreshed. But that's not all. This smart sleep system goes a step further by monitoring and analyzing the quality of your sleep. It does so with the help of an interactive diagnostic mat included in the kit. This device isn't just a novelty, it's a scientifically backed solution that has undergone rigorous laboratory and clinical testing, even earning the approval of scientists at Stanford University. If you prefer a more compact version for travel or want an option that simply plugs into an outlet, you can find an alternative model in the description. Say goodbye to restless nights and groggy mornings with this smart sleep system, priced at $245. Number 2. Nature Alarm Clock. If you have no trouble falling asleep, but waking up in the morning is a real challenge, this nature alarm clock is your perfect solution. This innovative gadget will gently rouse you from slumber with the soothing sounds of nature and a simulated dawn. As it gradually increases in brightness, you'll find yourself waking up without the stress of annoying alarm tones. This alarm clock offers a range of delightful options. You can choose to awaken to the delightful melody of birdsong, or, if you prefer, tune in to your favorite radio station for a more personalized start to your day. It's all about making your morning routine more peaceful and pleasant. You can get it for $81. Number 1. Compact Bluetooth Speaker. We conclude today's selection with a compact Bluetooth speaker that combines excellent sound quality with a super portable design. In fact, this speaker is so small that you can easily slip it into your pocket. It's not just for music, though. This versatile device has a few more tricks up its sleeve. The speaker features a handy button that allows you to remotely release your camera's shutter, making it ideal for taking selfies or group photos. What's more, it boasts a built-in microphone, enabling you to answer calls and use the speaker as a full-fledged headset. For its size, it's remarkably functional, making it the perfect gadget to carry with you. You can get it in $20. Alrighty, folks, that's a wrap for this video. We hope you find it informative and enjoyable. So, are you planning to buy any of these gadgets for your room? Share with us in the comments below. Moreover, if you appreciate our content and wish to stay updated on our latest releases, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for tuning in. And until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.